morning, Bryan City Schools. Today is Tuesday, March 5th. April 11th through the 13th will be the World Community Workshop at Sauter Village. This year, the topic will be Ohio, the early years, 1803 through 1845. The Rotary Club is sponsoring this opportunity, so if you would like to attend, get in contact with Mr. Neese by March 27th.
The BHS blood drive will be tomorrow in the gym. Sign up ASAP with Mrs. Noethen or Mrs. Elser. Your first period teacher has your passes.
Teachers and staff have selected the February Student of Action Award for the month of February. The characteristic trait was hardworking. The senior class winner is Zach Dye. The junior class winner is Meggie Voigt. The sophomore winner is Hannah Tressler, and the freshman winner is Madalyn Herman. Congratulations to these students for their actions last month. This month, March, the characteristic trait is forgiveness. I forgive you. Please forgive me.
All lost and found items will be taken to GoodWill during spring break. If you have lost an item, please make sure to check the table and claim it before Friday, March 15th.
The middle school FCA Huddle will meet tomorrow morning at 7:35 in the Multipurpose room.
Attention all 6th through 11th graders. If you are interested in trying out for the 2019-2020 cheer seasons, there will be a meeting at the Luring Stairs on Monday, March 11th during your AA. If you cannot make the meeting, packets with information about tryouts will be available in the athletic office. Any questions, contact Coach Moore by email at cheerleading@bryanschools.net.
Have a great day, kids.